I will show you how to download Discord on your computer. First, open your preferred web browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. Once it's open, go to Google and search for Discord. The first result is usually the correct one, so go ahead and click on it. Make sure you're on the official Discord website, which is discord.com, as you can see here. After that, click on the Download button. This will take you to the download page. Here, simply click on Download for Windows. If you're not using Windows, if you're on Mac OS or Linux, just scroll down and choose the appropriate version for your system. In my case, I'm using Windows, so I'll click the Windows Download option. The file will then start downloading to your computer, as you can see here. Once the download is complete, open the installer file from your Downloads folder. After opening it, just follow the installation steps on your screen. When the installation is finished, Discord will automatically open. If you already have an account, simply enter your login details and click Login. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one. As you can see, I'm now logged in and have full access to Discord, and I can start using it right away. If you'd like more Discord tutorials, you'll find plenty on my channel, like how to create an account, join servers, create your own server, and much more. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like.